Welcome to Biostatistics for Non-Statisticians. We would like to explain the CONSORT extension to pilot and feasibility studies. Let us begin. Pilot and feasibility studies do not provide evidence about interventions, but instead they seek to provide data on the study design. For example, will the recipients of the intervention agree to participate in the study, and will they complete the follow-up? In this guideline, the terms pilot and feasibility are used synonymously. However, these are distinct from Phase 2 and proof of concept. Those are trials on the effects of the intervention, and they are designed to provide efficacy data for designing subsequent studies, which are usually known as either pivot or Phase 3 trials. Here, we will simply call those definitive trials, because they have a specific hypothesis and a statistical power that allows them from a Nyman-Pearson perspective to make a decision about the intervention. For example, the researchers may be interested in how to put it on the market, or include it in the clinical practice guidelines. This extension modifies almost all points in CONSORT, although most of the changes formally clarify that the report refers to pilot studies and not definitive ones. Let's highlight the following adaptations. 1. Summary. 2. Statistical methods including the calculation of the sample size. 3. Objectives of the pilot study. And 4. The study implications in the design of the definitive trial. The most extensive change refers to the adaptation of the abstract to the CONSORT extension for the abstracts of paper and of presentations at congresses. It has a total of 15 subsections. Write them down along with the title at the end of everything. There are two major changes at the statistical level, which is a consequence of the pilot and feasibility studies' exploratory nature. It does not require reporting either 1. Statistical justification for the study size, or 2. Measures of efficacy. Various changes have been made to the pilot's objectives and to the criteria for approving or rejecting the future design, as well as to what changes will be introduced. There are also many other minor changes, mainly those that introduce the terms pilot and feasibility to refer to the present study, and definitive to refer to future ones. Others are for assessing the results of the recruitment process and monitoring the volunteers. And that's all for today. Well, no. One final word of advice. Practice. As a team, check whether an article you find interesting follows the recommendations of the CONSORT extension to pilot studies.